Great job singing and moving to music. Earlier, when we were patting during Peace Porridge Hot, we were keeping the music, friends?
Beat!
Yes, let's try patting the steady beat to our rhyme, Jack be nimble, and I'm gonna play it on my drum. Ready? And here we go.
Jack be nimble, Jack be quick, Jack jump over the candlestick.
We could also add instruments to play the steady beat. Here I have my drum, and we also have shakers and rhythm sticks. Music friends, let's show them how we could play the beat on 3 different instruments. First, let's start with our rhythm sticks. Would you put yours in rest position? Now students, you can practice with your finger sticks or your real instruments. Dun, da, da, dun, dun. And let's get the beat going.
Jack be nimble, Jack be quick, Jack jump over the candlestick.
And rest position, floor position. Now let's try it with our shakers. Dun, da, da, dun, dun. Let's get the beat going.
Jack be nimble, Jack be quick, Jack jump over the candlestick.
And floor. Now we have 3 pictures in a row. So let's switch and play the beat alternating on all 3 instruments with our rhyme, starting with rhythm sticks. Rest position. Dun, da, da, dun, dun. Let's get the beat going.
Jack be nimble, Jack be quick, Jack jump over the candlestick.
Now let's switch to our drum. Ready? And here we go.
Jack be nimble, Jack be quick, Jack jump over the candlestick.
Now the shakers, here we go.
Jack be nimble, Jack be quick, Jack jump over the candlestick.
And floor position. Now remember, our word this week is composer, which is someone who writes music. Ben's going to be our composer, and he's going to change the order of which instruments we play when. Great idea, Ben. All right, so we'll start with the shakers, then the drum, and then the rhythm sticks. Let's get our shakers in rest position and get the beat going. Here we go.
Jack be nimble, Jack be quick, Jack jump over the candlestick.
Now the drum, and here we go.
Jack be nimble, Jack be quick, Jack jump over the candlestick.
Now the rhythm sticks, go.
Jack be nimble, Jack be quick, Jack jump over the candlestick.
Rest position. Students, now you can practice playing the steady beat on these instruments and composing with your teacher.